Okay, in this video, let us solve another interesting problem. So prime number, check whether given a positive integer n, they'll provide us an input n. That is nothing but a number. You can say num. Given a positive integer number, check whether the number is prime or not. This is the thing we need to do. So when do we say a given number is prime or not? Let us take an example as 11. So when do we say a given number is prime or not? Let us write the definition of prime number. When do we say number is prime? So we can say a number is prime if number is divisible. If number is divisible by if number is divisible by 1 and itself, if number is divisible by 1 and itself, then only we can say the number is a prime. So when do we say the number is a prime? The number is divisible by 1 and itself only. So by analyzing the definition of prime, what do you say? Let me say I'll give you a number 11. Is it prime or not? So to check whether it is prime or not, when do we say this is prime? It must be divisible by 1 and 11 only. Only 1 and 11 are able to divide this given number 11. Other numbers unable to divide this 11. So what are the other numbers which are left in between 1 and 11? So other numbers between 1 and 11 are, what are the numbers? Let us write them. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 9 as well as 10. So these are the numbers which are left between 1 and 11. Is there any number which is dividing 11? No. So is 2 divide 11 completely? No. Is 3 divide 11 completely? No. In 4 table is there 11? No. In 5 table is there 11? No. In 6 table is there 11? No. In 7 table is there 11? No. In 8 table is there 11? No. In 9 table 11 is not present. In 10 table also 11 is not present. So we can clearly say that 11 is not divisible by any other numbers except 1 and itself. So we call that 11 as prime. We call that 11 as prime. So we need to provide our output as SYES. Yes, because it's a prime, so I need to provide a output as YESS. So okay, so why only you checked the numbers from 1 to 11, sir? Why not you checked with the other numbers that are greater than 11? Since the number is greater than 11, if you want to check a number which is greater than that number, then it obviously won't divide that number, right? Since a number is greater than the number, then the greater number won't divide the smaller numbers. So that we don't even need to check with larger numbers. So now let us take another test case. Now let us take another test case. Let us take 15. So let us take 15. So now you can tell me, when do we say a given number is a prime? A given number is a prime when it is divisible by 1 or itself. What is itself? 15. So it is divisible by 1 and 15. What are the other numbers? What are the other numbers between what are the other numbers between 1 and that number 1 and 15 are, what are the other numbers? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are the numbers which are present in between 1 and 15. So let us check. Is there any number which divides 15? Is there any number which divides 15? Does 2 divides 15? No. Does 3 divides completely 15? No. Does 4 divides 15? No. Does 5 divides 15? Yeah. Because in 5 table 15 is present. How many times 15? 5 will be divided 3 times. 5 3s are what? 15. So in this way 5 will divide 15 completely. So that's why we can say 15 is not a prime because it is not divisible by only 1 and itself. It also divided by 5. So that's why we can say the given number is not a prime. Whenever I encountered a number which divides the given number, then I can say it is not a prime. So what I need to provide my output? No. So you can check here, no is the result. So how do we code it, sir? How do we code it? First thing, I need to read the given input. To read the given input, to read the given input, to read the single line of given input, I must need to use input function. I must need to use input function. Input function always reads the data in the form of strings. So to convert it into integers, I must need an integer type converter. So an integer type converter convert into integer. So next, I want to generate the other element. Let me say my number is prime. So let me say my number is prime. Prime is a variable. Let me assume it as true. Yes, it is a prime. So let me check all the elements between 1 and that number, and if the number is divisible by that 1 and between numbers, then I can say the given number is not a prime, or else I can say it is a prime. So to pick to pick to pick repeatedly, so to pick repeatedly the numbers, so to pick repeatedly numbers, what I need to use? So you can see picking repeatedly. Whenever you encounter this problem, you must go for loops in Python. So what are the loops we have? For loop we have, while loop we have, and nested loops we have, do while we have. For this problem, picking repeatedly numbers between the given range. So whenever you found a range, then you choose for loop. So each each number, for number, so for each number in between, for each number in range of for each number in range of 2 till 2 till the given number. So for each number starting from 2 till the given number, I want to pick that each number and print that each number. Further, I will analyze and try to solve the problem. So now let me pick. So first three numbers I want to pick. So you got 2. So 1 in between. What are the elements in between 1 and 3? 2 only, right? So I got that number. Let me pick the elements in between 1 and 5. So you can see 2, 3, 4. All the elements I got. So it is picking correctly the each number and printing each number correctly. Now what I want to do, I want to check what I want to check, if number is divisible by each number or not. If number is divisible by current number, let's say current number, not each number, let's say current number. If number is divisible by current number, when do we say the number is divisible by current number? So if I divide the current number, if I divide the number with current number, I got my remainder as 0. When do I got remainder 0? If my number is correctly dividing, if my number is fully dividing the given number, if my current number is fully dividing the given number, then I got my remainder as 0. So when do I got my remainder as 0? If my current number is fully dividing the given number, then I got my remainder as 0. This modulus operation will provide me the remainder. This modulus operation will provide me the remainder when the current number is dividing the given number. So what do I need to get? I need to get 0. So whenever I got 0, that means my current number is dividing correctly this given number, then I got my remainder as 0. If I got my remainder as 0, then I can say the current number is dividing the given number. Yeah. So if my current number is dividing the given number, then I can say it is not a prime. Yeah. Then I can say it is not a prime. So once if I found it is not a prime, then I no need to check again and again. So I just need to print my prime status. So that's it. So let us run and check whether the given number is prime or not. So let us provide the first input, that is what, 11. Check. Here you can see you got the S, that means it is prime. So let us provide another input, that is 15, and check whether it is prime or not. So you can say no, that means it is not a prime. So by using this in this way, we can able to check whether the given number is prime or not. In this way, here what we are doing is, by using for loop, we are generating all the numbers between 1 and the given number, and we are checking that current number is dividing correctly the given number or not. If the current number is dividing the given number, that means we can say the given number is not prime because current number is dividing now. So when do we say the given number is prime? The given number is only divided by 1 and itself, then only we can say the given number is prime. But irrespective of that, it is dividing by a number which is in between 2 to in between 1 to that given number, then we can say that number is not prime. By using prime variable, I'm assigning s. Currently, I'm assuming the given number is prime. Whenever I found a number which is dividing the given number, then I'm setting the prime status as no, and just breaking and just printing and knowing whether the given number is not prime or not. I hope this video is understandable to you. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. If you like this video, please comment, and if you comment the video, then it will be suggestible to more viewers, so that it will be helpful to more viewers. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Must practice so that you can able to solve this problem on your exam. So thanks for watching.